Hi, I'm Oliver James from Briarwood. Today, we will be doing a drop test comparing our Big 6 fibre cement corrugated sheets manufactured by us against the FarmTec sheet manufactured by our competitor. The main test we will be doing today is the ACR drop test required for all fibre cement products manufactured for the UK market. It is dropping a 45 kilo bag from 1.2 metres high onto the sheet at a 1375mm Purlin spacing. At our Highbridge HQ, we have a full test facility for all the different tests required for a fibre cement roof sheet. Here we have the drop test rig, which is testing to ACR standards the fragility of fibre cement sheets for the UK market. Our Big 6 fibre cement sheets are fitted to the rig at 1375mm Purlin spacings, and it's a 5-foot long sheet fitted in accordance with our design guidelines. This FarmTec sheet is a 5-foot long sheet fitted at 1375mm Purlin spacings, fixed in accordance with the manufacturer's guidelines. We will be dropping a 45 kilogram bag 1.2 metres from the surface of the sheet into the centre of this Big 6 fibre cement sheet and in the centre of this FarmTec sheet. We are carrying out this test to show a direct comparison between our British Big 6 profiled sheet and the FarmTec European profile sheet recently introduced into the country. Three, two, one. Three, two, one. This is Briarwood's Big 6 British profiled sheet after the 45 kilo bag has been dropped. This shows relatively little damage. This would be a Class C pass. This is the European profile FarmTec sheet after the 45 kilo bag has been dropped on the sheet, showing damage, a longitudinal full-length crack. This is a Class C pass. We have now seen the results from the drop test on both the Briarwood British Big 6 profile sheet and the European profile FarmTec sheet. You can see for yourself in the video the difference in impact damage between the two sheets. The main difference between these two sheets is that the FarmTec sheet is a semi-compressed construction and the Briarwood British Big 6 profile is a fully compressed fibre cement sheet, resulting in a denser and heavier construction.